Hello. Hey you guys, so I'm so excited. I'm on break really quickly, so I gotta hurry up and get back to work, but finally receive some of my items from Neiman Marcus. So excited. Just came in one of 4. I'm still waiting on like 4 more to come. They're not expected to come for a few more days, but anyways, let me share my new perfumes. I haven't opened 2 because I just got one in literally today. So excited. Some scissors. So excited, you guys. All right. I'm so excited. So I have the original Delina here, and now I have the exclusive. All right, let's go ahead and smell. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm so excited for it. I got this the original one back last year, like mid last year around my birthday, like in July-ish. I really honestly wasn't reaching for it. I didn't understand the hype. I'm like, yeah, it smelled good, but so I never reached for so long. And then lately I've been hearing about it, so I started reaching, and I'm getting like so addicted to that smell. I don't know if it's the leche or what, but it smells amazing. So I'm trying not to spray it so much. So when Neiman was having a sale, they was having 15% off, or you spend a certain amount, they gave you like $250 off. I don't know, but I was able to I did 2 orders because I was like, oh, I want this and this and this. So I was able to get this at a discount because they were running a special on Neiman's. Oh, why this one feels smaller? Are they? I guess they are the same. Okay, so this is my very first time opening it. Ooh. Ooh, that smells good through the bottle. Let me see if I can smell the original through the bottle. Okay, I can. Ooh, that's good. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, let's spray. I don't even have a tester. I'm gonna spray it on here first. Yeah. Spray it on my skin. It's so good. It's like a clean. It has the similar notes from the original. What is it smell? I don't smell that leche though. It doesn't have that intoxicating like leche smell, but it's still good. It's like powdery. Ooh, this is good. Better. So if I ever had to rebuy, definitely the original. Then I saw the hype and the rave. This is a new release from the house of Parfums du Mali, and this is Oriana. I never ever had a smell of this one either, so both of these were kind of like a blind buy, and I really just got this because of the pretty pink Barbie color bottles with. All of the bottles are shaped the same way. But again, I just ordered it because it's hot pink. First time. Oh, I'm so excited. I love perfumes. It's good, but I don't know what the hype is for. I mean, it's cute, but if I had to choose, I definitely would find something better. I just like the color of the bottle. I mean, this one I definitely have to play around with. I would just have to wash, shower, and just play with it and see how it wears. And it's not I mean, it's okay. First sniff, first impression is okay. I mean, I don't see the hype. But again, I had to grow on this brand. Like I told you, I had the other one for probably 6-7 months. Never really touched it, maybe once or twice, and that was it. And then just here lately, last week or so, maybe, yeah, a week or so, 2 weeks, I started grabbing it, and it's like really like addictive now. So I need to stop spraying it so much because it is expensive. But I'd rather have the original than this one. But the bottle is pretty. That's a bummer. Hopefully it'll grow on me. I got Mon Guerlain because I heard so much hype about it. It's cute. Again, it's a nice sweet smell. Very nice and sweet. Is a very good, I use this as a layering or while I'm sitting at my desk working and I don't smell my whatever I am using at the moment. I'll take this and just spray it all over me because it's a nice calming, not overpowering. It's not that type, so I like that it's nice and sweet. Give me a little boost. So yeah, Mon Guerlain, I definitely like it. A nice sweet scent. Good one. I like good layering. Nice and sweet. A good safe buy. Okay, that was another blind buy for me as well. Baccarat. I did order some Baccarat oil. I did not get this one inside the sale. I just purchased this directly from our Neiman's out here. All right, so I definitely love the oil. It is so good. I'll spray this on and then I'll put like another perfume on it. It'll just help it last longer with the oils. So here is the fragrance. Very pricey, but if you just want to get an introduction to Baccarat 540 and you don't want to pay this price tag, you can try the oils out and maybe get an inspired Baccarat. That'll be a way to go because this is the oil was like maybe $100. And then I have Dossier. It's called Amaranth and Saffron. This is the one that I had picked when I had collabed with them. So you definitely can layer it. It's not 100% Baccarat, but it does give you that inspired. What's that? Ariana Grande Cloud. I heard smells really good. So you can put Cloud with the oils just to give you that extra boost. That would be a perfect idea as well. Like I said, this is very pricey. All of those fragrances are very pricey. But use the oil. I'm really enjoying the oil. Okay, and last but not least, I guess I'll just go ahead and throw this in. I did pick up a another diffuser. First I had Red Roses. It was a little it started smelling like a musky smell. At first it was so amazing first couple of days, and then I was like, I can't smell that because I'm working and I just need nice freshness. So this is Pomegranate Noir and it's good. I like it. It's not overpowering. I still smell it. I'll just take my little sticks you know, every day or every other day and just flip them over, and it helps. I burn candles too, but you can't burn candles all day long, so I just need to have a great scent as I'm working, especially here in our small little tiny bedroom, you know. So that's why I'm investing in all these beautiful scents. Even I'm gonna start putting in like little luxury candles and all of that because I need to worry about what type of candles I'm putting out the soot, and I don't want to be so close to a candle. So yeah, I'm gonna be transitioning. But anyways, I'm on my lunch break. I definitely only have a little bit more time. Let's see. Yeah, I only have like 5 more minutes, but I'm gonna come back and sit down and go over. I'm gonna let some of these fragrances, definitely that Oriana. It has like an oriental smell. Like everybody was raving so good about it. I just have to probably, I don't know. Definitely not worthy of blind buy worthy at no point. Don't be like me and blind buy this. I just really like it because the bottle is so pretty, Barbie pink. Original, definitely worth a blind buy. this one for sure is worth a blind buy. The exclusive, I wouldn't blind buy that either. I would get a tester. You can buy little samples, all of that. But these two, no, a definite yes for a blind buy. And the Guerlain, Mon Guerlain, definitely worthy of a blind buy, and it's very inexpensive. It's not super expensive, definitely worth it. Nice, sweet. Baccarat oil, I think it's worth it if you don't want to purchase the original Baccarat and pay like the is it like $3.40 at this point? I'm not sure. But the oils is like 100. I think that is it. I recommend the oil diffuser, Jo Malone Pomegranate Noir. All right, until the next time, you guys stay blessed. I'm so excited to have the fragrances. I'm gonna have to rearrange my little cabinet at some point. So right now I have them here, but I'm sure I'm gonna start extending down because I have like maybe 4 or 5 more coming in the mail. Ooh. But I couldn't miss it. I couldn't resist the discount. All right, gotta go. I'm talking too much. I gotta log back onto work, but until the next time, if you're not already subscribed, please do so. If you enjoyed the big video, big thumbs up, and stay tuned for more fragrances. Until the next time.